describe a subject that you like to learn in the future. Well, now I'd like to talk about a subject that I like to study in my future. Since my school time, I study lots of subjects like Bangla, English, and math, also history. Among my most favorite subject is math. I always good in my school in math. That's why when I pass my school, then admission college, I choose this subject. Because of there are so many reasons. First reason is I will be a good businessman in future. I live in a business background family. My father always tell me, you if you want to if you start your own business, you have to learn how to manage a business. And that's why I always try to learn how to become a good businessman. Then I realized business management is the most difficult. If I start any business, yeah, if I start any business, I learn uh, how to manage it, and that's why I chose this subject. In future, I will be a good businessman. That's why I learn this subject. Uh, because of without business management, you can't become a good businessman.